What's going on, guys? I got a Glock 17 9mm. I'm about to show y'all how to take it apart. Let's get to it. All right. So first off, we want to check if there's anything in the chamber. See, we got nothing. Now, to get the slide off, all you want to do is push back on the slide, and at the same time you want to pull these little levers down. So pull the slide back, pull the levers down on both sides, then pull the trigger, and it should slide right off. All right. Now, to get the spring out, all you do is put your finger on the back of the spring and lift up, and it should come right out. Now the Gen 4 and Gen 5, those got double springs, but it's mine, the Gen 3, as you can see, it's just got one. And then you just lift your barrel up. It should come right out, the barrel. Got your barrel and your slide. It's pretty easy. But yeah.